What am I hearing?
You're hearing like a... I don't know.
Car? Truck?
No, it's
What is it?
It sounds like a little motor, like maybe a snowmobile or something.
Is it Mike with a...
Nah, I don't know, maybe.
I don't see it over there.
I don't see
Then I can't
over
see
there.
Anyway. Look over there. Look over there. Look at us around the face over here. Where it's blowing. I kind of fell down face first. And up to my knees. I couldn't get back up. I had to roll over.
I'm sorry.
Oh, okay, I was never going to get up. A little bit to keep right on going. Thank you, stupid.
A little bit. Say cheese. Go potty.
Can't find any place to go, huh? There's somebody going. I hear somebody. Don't I?
Yes.
Is there a car there?
No, it's not a car, Mom.
Then it must be Mike. Because his thing ain't over there, so it must be Mike.
We're gonna lose that car before this is over. You won't see it.
Well, that's about what it looked like with our 5 feet of snow. Only worse, it was all built up on the sides. You couldn't even see it was a car. If you gotta go pee, go pee. Anywhere. You aren't gonna get out to your favorite tree. You'd be better off taking it to this one.
Oh, here it is. It says it's 2019.
No.
Yeah, it does.
That's 10 is just below.
Oh,
that,
so it's
only
15. Almost.
You can't get to your tree, so you're just gonna have to stay here and pee. Go ahead.